Nah, just put him on land. They gonna find him. He gonna grab him right on up.
I need him over here.
He gonna get him, Donnie. Just put him over here.
Huh? No. I'm about to drop
I ain't even start recording yet.
in the tank. So that'll do it. No. Okay. Hello?
Ripple. That one ain't gonna eat.
Nah, leave it alone. He gonna get it. He'll get it. Come on, baby. Come on. Over here, baby. Come on, baby girl. Come on, over here. Over here. Over there in the corner.
Snap him.
That ball was jumping like a motherfucker. I was trying to get away from that nigga. He gonna rock like a rock. Get him. That motherfucker trying to get away, boy. That nigga jumping like a motherfucker. And he done already dirked his. She said.
Why she so slow with her shit?
He ripped his asshole out, yo. Ew.
Oh, that right there?
Yeah. It's on top, you asshole. Don't put your hand in there now, boy. Alright.
Yeah, my football debut. Yeah, it's tryouts. Yeah. Excuse me?
Got it.
You, like, you have doing faith in me or something?
Trying to drown that nigga.